There really is nothing worse than being stuck on a plane that's delayed and not set to take off. Oh no, wait. There is. The people next to you decide this is the perfect time to have a loud crying breakup. Put them right on the do not fly list. Hey everybody, I'm Patrick Jones, welcome to Buzz 60. We know about the breakup because another passenger, Kelly Keegs, live tweeted the whole ordeal. Starts off simple with, this guy on the plane just broke up with his girlfriend and she's sobbing. He then threw another punch. Is this really a surprise? Are you seriously surprised at this information? Good to have a heart in these scenarios. She fired back with, great, just great. I'm so glad I paid $40 extra to be on this flight with you. To which our hero said, I don't care. At this point, Keegs was getting more and more attention as the woman goes in with, she just really thought, you know, this was going to go somewhere. Yikes. The plane eventually took off where Keegs says the couple immediately ordered 6 vodkas and Bloody Mary mix and downed them while occasionally pausing to make out. We don't know who the couple is, but people are curious to get more details. And I'm sure someone from Hollywood would love to cast them as the oblivious public display of affection couple who opens every Friday the 13th movie. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.